Justice Scorpio, maaari po bang magkaroon talaga ng impeachment trial habang nasa break po yung Senado, no? Kasi ngayon po, medyo iba yung circumstances dahil nasa break po sila. So maaari po ba nila itong gawin sa isang special session?
Ang posisyon ko dyan, pwede dahil hindi naman ito legislative activity, no? Ah, pag legislative activity, dapat pag they are in break, on break, kailangan may special session. Tatawag ang presidente ng special session. Pero hindi naman ito legislative work, no? This is quasi-judicial nga ito, no? This is sui generis ito. Uh, wala na ngang role ang presidente kasi exclusive power, sole power nasa sa Congress, no? So, ang tingin ko uh, the since the president admitted that he has no role, uh, so they can actually organize themselves as an impeachment court even without a call by the president, even during recess, no? Because this is non-legislative ito eh.
Ayan, sir, nalinaw nyo na nga yan ho na non-legislative. Ibig sabihin, hindi na ho talaga kailangan pa no, nung hiling ho ng Pangulo para magkaroon ng special session.
Yeah. So actually, what I'm suggesting is the Senate can do the preparatory work, no? Dahil they want to revise the impeachment rules to allow judicial affidavits para bibilis, no? That will cut down trial work by 60 to 70%. So what they can do, they can amend revise the rules to authorize the Senate President to issue the summons once the articles of impeachment are received by the Senate, to require uh, the respondent to answer or comment within 15 calendar days, non-extendable, and then to require also the prosecution to reply. Isama na doon sa rules, i-authorize na yung Senate President. Dahil administrative naman ito eh, no? Automatic naman na dapat mag-submit ng comment or answer. And then, the rules can also authorize the Senate President to require the submission of judicial affidavits in lieu of direct testimony. So, pwede yun. All of those preparatory work can be done before the trial starts. No? So the Senate can actually be organized. Sabi nila, wala ng panahon. It can be organized in the 20th Congress, pero tapos na yung mga preparatory work. When they meet, they just convene as an impeachment court, and then trial can proceed immediately. So pag ganyan, hindi na sayang yung oras at saka nakita ng taong bayan na gumagalaw. No? Dahil dadaan ka naman talaga dyan eh. You cannot avoid amending the rules. Gusto nila yan. Tsaka to require comment by the VP Sara, kailangan din yan. So, pwede na gawin niya ngayon without the impeachment court being organized.